Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you can understand me and I hope you're doing good. I need to laugh already. Welcome to day 12 of the North Cape trip. Well, now it's not the North Cape trip anymore, it's the trip or the way home. Yeah, and the reason I'm laughing is because it is raining. So after a rather long discussion with my father, we are going to end this whole trip and everything. So we're giving up, kind of. Like, we went to the North Cape, we achieved what we wanted to achieve, but the weather is not on our side. The weather is supposed to be better next week and the week after, with like record heat wave and stuff like this. But this week, absolutely horrible. So at the moment we're going to direction Stockholm, and yeah, we haven't booked a hotel yet. Like, we booked one but we cancelled it, so we will see how the weather holds. And if we are absolutely miserable and wet, we will stay near Stockholm. If you're still on the drier side, you know, we will push further. Ay, ay, ay. It is very windy. We will push a bit further. So to make our way to Trelleborg. And once so we are closer to Trelleborg, and once we are closer there, the day after, so today is, I think, Thursday. Today is Thursday, yes. And then we will take the ferry on Friday from Trelleborg to Rostock. Yeah, that's at least that's the plan. So we don't know when we will take the ferry, because we would like to take a ferry like at 3 or something p.m. in the afternoon. So, but the issue is we will then arrive in Rostock at 9 p.m. And me having only my smoke visor with me, it makes riding in the dark rather unpleasant. So, and riding with my visor up is not something I like to do. I'm a wuss, you know. I don't like, you know, the wind in my eyes. I can barely keep my eyes open at 60 kilometers an hour, and then I should do it on the highway with 130, 120 kilometers an hour. Yeah, not gonna happen. So yeah, so officially I think the trip is over. I will still want to finish the timeline, you know, that there's nothing spectacular. It's all highway from now on. We looked at camping spots, we found some amazing camping spots, but with, like, at the moment being 15 degrees Celsius and in the night getting to 7, yeah, not going to happen, you know. So yeah, it's just it wasn't, to be honest, it wasn't meant to be. And yes, I talked to my father about it as well. The tent was very expensive, so basically it was 500 euros. So we spent 2 nights in the tent, making it 250 euros per night in the tent, or 125 per person. So that's rather expensive, you know. It's a luxury tent, to be honest. You could have had better hotels. So if we remove the sleeping bags, the cooking equipment, the table, the chairs and whatnot, and only went from hotel to hotel, we would have like a lighter ride and a more pleasant riding experience overall. But you know, you take the learnings with you, and it's something I definitely do. So yeah, but you know, nothing I can change now. So and you know, if the weather would have been nice, you would have regret staying at a hotel. So yeah, because when I went up to the North Cape, the weather was nice until I went back. So, and I was too afraid to camp alone. So yes. But anyway, you know, you see the clouds. I already had some raindrops on my visor. But yeah, that's it. Oh my god, it is so windy. Oh my god, holy smokes, this hit me like differently. Anyway, that's it for this update. Hello, another short update. I'm currently in or around Stockholm. I think the worst thing is behind me, but the weather is almost as miserable as the last time. It's not as there's no heavy rain yet, or it wasn't, but it is raining again. So every time I visit Stockholm, it's raining. So maybe not for the one time I had a job interview, but you know, that's beside the point. You know, when I was like on my own and not like going from the plane to train to city center to train to plane and gone. Holy smokes. So yeah, it's a very interesting day so far. It's been like 23, 24 degrees Celsius. It's been 12 degrees Celsius. It's heavy rain, light rain, zero rain. It has been crazy, you know. So the last thing for today is that we booked a room in Nyköping, something, Nyköping. I think this means Nyköping or something. So yeah, we booked a room there, no camping, and then probably tomorrow we will just probably leave early, like 6 or 5 a.m. in the morning, hit the road, 6 hours to Trelleborg, get the ferry at 3 p.m. and then arrive in Rostock at, you know, at 9 p.m. or something, and then another 3 hours until we are home. So yeah, that's it, you know. Like, I will holy moly, some people, oh my god, this person is crazy, absolutely crazy, you know. But you do whatever you want, you know. But you know, I just feel so uncomfortable if some people do it like this, because you know, you're not thinking about yourself, you're not thinking about anyone, you know. It's just, you're not alone on the road. That's sometimes, you know, that makes me really, really angry. It's like we share the road all together, you know, so be respectful, be mindful of others. I don't know, sometimes I'm lost for words, you know. Anyway, so Nyköping, we booked a hotel, so yeah, this is an abrupt ending of a road, so if you don't pay attention, goodbye. So yeah, Nyköping and then Trelleborg, and then that's it for the North Cape trip. Now it's the trip home instead of a North Cape trip, but the series is called the North Cape trip. So I should be at my location at Saturday, sorry, and I still have 1 week of vacation left, so maybe I will do a short trip to a different location, and I don't know, not sure yet, not sure. Maybe I will visit some friends. We'll see. I need to relax my shoulder. My shoulder is in pain, but my butt is feeling good, so that's for that. But yeah, that's it for this update. I will keep you posted once we are closer to Nyköping, and then I will probably end the day there. Sorry for my abrupt ending yesterday. But you know it is, you know, sometimes you need to make it short and sweet and simple. So yeah, talk to you closer to Nyköping or Nyköping or wherever you pronounce it. Last update for day 12, I think. So we at the hotel, the Good Morning Hotels, 93 or 91 euros for the room, breakfast included, 2 people. I don't think it's that bad. It's close to the highway, to the E4, I think. And yeah, we're in Nyköping, so yeah, not far away. Even a McDonald's is nearby and everything. So, but the hotel offers a restaurant. So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be super windy. Today was super windy as well, but tomorrow is even heavier. There was like a big cloud. Maybe I can find it because my GoPro wasn't recording, of course. So yeah, no, you can't see. There was like a super heavy rain cloud. It looked like a supernova. I was just expecting, you know, a tornado to come down and stuff like this, but it did not happen, of course. But it looked like this. So it was super bright on one side and super dark on the other. Yeah. My bike, of course, is parked, but my dad has no helmet on, so I don't want to show him on camera. Anyway, that's it for day 12. Nothing spectacular, as I said, but that's part of it. And then we'll see what we will do for tomorrow, and probably day 13 and 14 will be together, because maybe just day 13, because it's one day. Yeah, we'll see. I'll think about it. But anyway, have a good one. Thank you very much for this boring day, you know. Enjoy. It was very windy. My back needs some rest. So yeah, have a good one. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.